Arrive in style with this Nissan 2014 Titan SV Crew Cab Pickup. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include SV Value Truck Package, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM CD audio system, AM/FM CD audio system with 8 speakers, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.